Well, good evening, everyone. Miss Gail at Georgia Peach Nut Gardening. You know we had that hard freeze twice, and I did a last-minute sweet potato planting, thinking that I had to, you know, like most people, November, but I didn't. So it is what it is. I don't know what to expect. I did these from my own slips, so we'll just see what we can see. How about that? There may be something in here, and there may not. I'm just gonna bring you along with me so we can see what we can see. This is a 10-gallon grow bag. You don't have to have a garden. So far, I'm not seeing any sweet potatoes, not feeling any. So I am going to turn this on its side and pull it back. And let's just see if we have anything. See if we struck gold. See if we have anything to talk about, to write home to mama about. I'm just pulling it out. I'm seeing a lot of roots. I know y'all can't see this because I got the camera pointing the wrong way. Let's see here. Bring y'all around this way so you can see what I'm bringing in. So far, no good. Uh-oh. Well, I have one sweet potato. Now, I grow sweet potatoes every year, but we have a field of them over there. So I wasn't worried about it, but I said, okay, I had some slips left over. Let me just see. So I put these in at the last minute, and it's looking like I put it in at the last minute. I see something. You can't see it, but I see it. They need a little bit more time, but that's okay. We'll just look for next year and see what we can get from next year. Here's another little French fry. Put that in the air fryer. It'll fry up pretty good. So we're gonna keep digging and see what comes out. Just turn this one back upside down and all around just like a seesaw. Okay, there it goes. I'm gonna sit that right over here, and as I fish through this soil, I'm not disappointed because like I planted this real late. I'm gonna just start going on ahead and putting some of the soil back in this bag, because I have some purple potatoes that I got from Lowe's, and I'm gonna see how they did and see if I'll be buying from them anymore. They were already in a bag, so I will see. I just did that because they had them there, So this bag didn't yield anything except for that one or two. You win some, you lose some, you live to fight another day. So I will be taking the soil. Like I said, I've got some collard greens and stuff that needs to go in here. And that's the success of it. You just keep it moving. So that's it. They were trying to get started. Like I said, I put them in there real, like in July, real late in July. So it's okay. I'm not mad. Just wanted to bring you along all of my successes and my failures. And it's not a failure, because I knew that I was late doing it. But I just wanted to do it. I have been successful at growing sweet potatoes all these years. This is the first time that I tried something at the last minute. And if we had gone to November, would have had some. So it's okay. So we're gonna try these purple babies over here. Give me a second. Okay, I had to run right quick. What I'm gonna do, like I said, is put this in here, and I don't want you to have to watch me do that. It's very boring. So I'm gonna get the majority of this inside of here. Put it out the way. Pull this on over. And this, my message to you guys, don't get discouraged. Joy comes in the morning. So don't be all upset if your plants don't work out. You got the soil already ready. Go on ahead and put something else in there. That's all you have to do. This is good soil. So I'm going to do the purple ones. Hold on. Let's see what these purple babies are talking about. So, like I say, they were already planted in here. Got them from Lowe's. And I don't know how I'm supposed to get these out. These are popped in. I don't know if I can pop them out. Let's see here. We're going to just turn it upside down like that. Okay. And pick our little cutters and cut. And cut. We ain't going to sweat. Not going to sweat at all. Vines are holding on. Okay, let's get rid of that. And you're going to cut the vines away where they went in. Because you know I don't know how Lowe's planted these. I don't know what they used. Throw that away. And so, let's see what we have in here. They sold this for $12. It better be some potatoes in here. I got my receipt. And I don't know what kind of soil this is. But man, it is matted. So let me see if I can dig it away. This is gardening, y'all. This is how it be sometimes. And this will let y'all know if you see that pot sitting at Lowe's for $12. So far I don't see any potatoes. Uh-oh, there's one. They got saved by one potato. It's a purple potato. Okay. All right, that's one. Put that there. Let's see how many more grew. They told the story and said all you had to do was water it. I did a little bit more than that because I know better. But I don't need to pay $12 for no one potato. So I'm looking and looking, y'all. I'm rushing. Growing potatoes is truly a treasure hunt, as everybody says. I've been growing them for years. First year to try it, decided to do something different, and I guess I go back to my old method of starting in May. So this is nothing in here. I don't know what this is. This is going in the garbage because there's nothing. There was 1 1/4 of a potato, and all of this madness. So it's not worth it for you to pay $12 for them to say they've already planted the potato for you and put the nutrients in it. See, that ain't worth it. Don't do it, don't do it. My advice, you can do what you want to. My advice to you is not to do it. See, that's not worth it. So let's try this next one. Turn it upside down. You get something to cut it with. Ain't no sense in playing with it. Hopefully this basket will have more than the other one did. And you have to remember when you're growing sweet potatoes to cut your vines down, cut them back so that all the energy won't go into growing vines. You want it to go into growing potatoes. A lot of people think, oh, I got vines and let's no. You're going to cut it back at least a third. Let me cut this off. I can reuse these little pots. Grow some tomatoes in it or whatever. So I pay $12 for a pot. Got surgery tomorrow, eye surgery, so I've been running around getting myself together. Ran into one of my friends' daughter. It was the best thing today. That was the best thing in a whole year. So, made my leaving the house all worthy. So let's see if we can pull this one apart and hopefully find something in here, you guys. This is what this stuff from Lowe's looks like. I don't know what their method is to their madness as to how they're telling you they're growing this stuff in here. So I'm going to go down to where I see a stem and see if there is a potato at the end of the stem. This thing is hard as a rock. Okay, there's a potato at the bottom. $12, it should have been full of potatoes. But this extra stuff that they put in here to, I guess, make it produce, it doesn't work. They need to go back to something else. So let's see what we have here. Well, that broke. So, 2 potatoes. 1 potato, 2 potato. That can be turned into a French fry. So, this is what's coming out of this other one. Not a big haul, huh? Not what I'm used to seeing. These little straggly, skinny things. Shouldn't even be 50, shouldn't be 5 cents. So, let's see if anything else is waiting for me in here. I got to break it apart. I won't ever do this again. Oh my God. This is some tight stuff. I don't know who they went to get this. You don't need to use this company anymore. It's a good workout for your hands and your arms though. So, let's see. Are we gonna find any potatoes in the middle? Kind of potato I'm looking for should be big as this thing right here. Here's another potato. This is from Lowe's. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't waste your money. It is not worth it. Grow your own so you know what's going in it. I just ventured out and decided I'd try something different. $24? This is trying to be another potato, but this stuff is on here so tight. I don't even know if I want to eat it. It's going to be stringy as I don't know what. This would just be good for some French fries. Okay, a couple more pulls and I'll be through with that. We can move on to bigger and better things. All right then. Well, guys, this is it. Nothing. It's a nothing burger. Nothing burger. So, the world gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Hold on.